Pretty nice. I really love it. You can set the temperature on here, like right there. You can bring it down or up. Hold on, let me turn it off of rotation. So right now it's rotating. So then I can actually turn that off. Let's see, right here. And we got the power. I think it's this all low versus high. Okay, yeah, then you rotate there. I think you can put it on a timer of some sort. However many hours you want it to go before it shuts off on its own. Otherwise, really, really impressive. I mean, like I'm way back here. I mean, I can't walk any further back because I have my furniture situated, but I can feel that heat way over here. It's really good. Nice purchase. Well done, Honeywell.
This. Good, wasn't it?